Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how we can do two-way ANOVA in SPSS. Two-way ANOVA, as the name suggests, it should have two independent variables. So as you can see from on the screen, there's one independent variable called 60. It has two labels, 61 and 62. There's another independent variable which is Brent. It has brain 1 and brain 2. So both independent variables have two labels. And the cell is the dependent variable, which is a continuous variable. So we have two categorical variables and one continuous variable. And so that's the basic idea about two-way ANOVA. And how we can do the analysis in two-way ANOVA, you can click the Analyze and click the General Linear Model and click the Univariate. So that's where we get here. Click the cell, so this is a dependent variable, and then click the two category variable into the fixed factors. And also remember that we would like to also click the, this interaction into the mean. We want to see the mean. So and also click the descriptive statistics. We want to see the mean for each cell. So click continue and click OK. That's it. And so we can see that the focus there are quite a few tables. So let's see one by one what they are. The first one just tell you that okay, how many participants in each cell. We can see that in total we have 20 participants. So you can imagine that for 60 has 10, 61 has 10, 62 has 10, brain 1 has 10, brain 2 has 10. So this is a hypothetical data I generate. So as you can see, it's pretty even. So I generate this very simple data just to illustrate how we can do analysis. And so, the second table is descriptive statistics. That's what we just click the descriptive. We select that. So that's why there's such a table. So it basically tell you that for what's the mean value. So the mean for brain 1 for 61, brain 2 for 62. What's the mean? So the mean for brain 1 in 61 is 48. Brain 2 in 61 is 6.8, and you can see the other two means. So that's the basic idea. It also tells you the standard deviation for each, for the observation within each cell, and also the observation within each cell as well, the number of observation. So this table is the one we would like to focus. Especially we would like to focus on the 60 times Brent. So this is the interaction of two independent variables, 60 and Brent. As you can see that the F value is 6.33 and the P value is 0.023, which is smaller than 0.05. It means that the interaction is significant. And so basically we are done for the two-way ANOVA analysis. The thing is that we know the mean and we know that the interaction is significant, but we are not very sure that what exactly mean by saying that the interaction is significant. The basic idea is that we can put all these four means from the output into a table. So then we have a better idea like what it means by the interaction is significant. So the interaction is significant, basic idea is that the differences, for instance, the brain 1, the differences between 61 and 62 is different from the brain 2. Brain 2's differences between 61 and 62. What does it mean? Okay, let's do some simple calculation, and you will have a better idea what I'm talking about. So, for instance, you calculate brain 1 between 61 and 62. The differences is what? It's 41, yes. And the differences for the brain 2, the difference is 0.2. So as you can see that for brain 1 and brain 2, we currently expect they should be the difference between 61 and 62 should be the same, but that they have very big differences, 41 but 0.2. So that's what interaction means. We can also see the nature of the interaction by plotting this means. So how you can do that in Excel? I mean, basically, you can also do this kind of plotting in SPSS, but I always find the SPSS, the figure from SPSS is not, sometimes they looks a bit genetic. So, I mean, generally, I prefer using Excel to do this kind of plotting when you are writing a report. Okay, so how we do the plot? In generally, for this kind of 2x2 table, we're going to use bar chart. So insert, click the bar chart, click this one. Okay, this is kind of big. So as you can see that, so this is brain 1 and 61, 62, brain 2, 61, 62, yes. We can add a data label here to get a better idea what they represent. So as you can see that on this bar chart, you can see that the difference between 61 and 62 of brain 1 is much greater compared to brain 2. So as you can see that even as simple as such bar chart can really make the audience understand the nature of the data or the nature of the interaction much better. So usually, if for 2x2 table, usually I encourage people to do a plot. And actually, you can make this plot looks much better. I mean, you just need to do something simple. Let me show you how you can do that. I mean, you can like, okay, for this line, you can say that, okay, the line, click the solid line and black color. Usually, you can black and white, solid line. And so as you can see that the advantage using Excel that you can change the format more easily and go, I mean, and you do not need this title, you can delete that. And the border, we do not need any light border. We can also like no fill. Okay, you can see now this looks much better, yes. And sometimes people, you can even make this figure look much better. Like for instance, you can change the font color and also like so the solid fill, but you just want to like gray color, and this another one is solid light but no fill. Yes, that's what usually you can do that. So it looks more professional. I mean, depends your taste. This kind of black and white usually looks more, looks more cool, more cold color. Okay, I think that's it. That's the idea how you can plot this 2x2 table in Excel, and usually you can like copy paste this into your report or your slide, and usually it looks pretty good on the slide or in your Word report. Thank you for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.